In a world where technology is everywhere, sometimes a simple phone call can brighten someone's day. Imagine this scene. A cute doodle character clutching a phone, heart emojis floating around, radiating warmth and affection. Today we take a peek into one such delightful exchange. We have two friends, Alex and Emma. Alex picks up the phone and dials. Ring, ring. Emma's voice chirps through the line. "Hi, Emma, how are you?" Alex greets, setting a cheerful tone. Emma responds brightly. "Hey, I'm good, what's up?" The warmth of friendship fills the connection as the simple act of checking in unfolds into a conversation filled with possibilities. Alex grins, thinking of how to make the day special. "Nothing much. Do you want to go out today?" That spontaneity, the chance to turn a regular day into a memorable adventure, fills the air with excitement. Emma, always ready for new adventures, eagerly answers, "Sure, what time?" After a moment's thought, Alex decides on a perfect time for the outing, suggesting around 3 p.m. In sync, like two dancing partners, Emma replies, "Perfect, see you soon." It's a plan, a shared moment to look forward to, transforming an ordinary day into something extraordinary. As they prepare to say goodbye, there's a palpable sense of anticipation. "Bye!" Alex rings off, leaving Emma smiling on the other end. It's remarkable how this brief encounter fills both their hearts with joy, showing that a quick phone call can weave a tapestry of joy, connection, and friendship. And there you have it, a simple conversation with the power to make a profound impact. Whether you're planning an adventure or just catching up, remember, sometimes all it takes is a quick call to make someone's day a little better. So why not pick up the phone and reach out to a friend today? You never know what magic might unfold from just a simple hello.